Hello everyone, welcome to DIGI GENIUS. Today, as we kick off the year 2024, I have some AI tools to share with you. These tools are sure to become familiar to you in 2024, and they aim to simplify your life. So without further ado, let's begin today's video, where we'll discuss 7 AI tools that you must be aware of in 2024. First, artificial intelligence tool called Tripo. With Tripo, you can generate any kind of 3D model and use it in your videos. To get started, first log in. Once logged in, an interface will appear where you can see various types of 3D models that are already available. You can download them and use them, or you can type the name of the object you want. Let's try this out. I want a 3D model of a dragon. Hit enter, let's wait for the results, and voila! We have different kinds of dragons here. Simply download it, then use it to create a realistic perspective in your films or on any graphical backdrop. Let's move on to the second AI tool for the video, Creative Studio, which is the quickest way to create a short advertisement video. To use it, first you must log in. Once you have, you must upload the product URL. I have chosen a link of a smartwatch from Etsy. Paste the URL here and click the Analyze URL button at the bottom. After extracting the link, the tool will automatically generate a title, description, and some pictures for the video. If you would like your video to have a logo, simply upload it here. After that, clicking the next button will take you to another page where you can choose the video's aspect ratio, size, and target audience's age. Clicking the next button will then take you to the video script. There are 4 different scripting options available, but I'll go with the problem-solving option. After selecting that, you'll be taken to another screen preview where you can choose where the pictures and subtitles should be placed. Once that's done, you can render the video and download it.
Ever felt bogged down by your phone when you're out living your best life? Meet the 4G Android smartwatch from Etsy, your freedom on a wrist, with its own 4G, Wi-Fi, and GPS.
The free version allows you to create only 2 videos. However, if you want to sell it and be paid for it, the package is really affordable. You can quickly make money by creating these product description videos, which you can then sell on Fiverr or Upwork. Third AI tool is Adobe Speech Enhancer. With Adobe Speech Enhancer, you can enhance the quality of your voice, even if it is full of background noise. After logging in, you will see an interface where you can upload your voice notes or noisy voiceover to remove noise. To test it out, I downloaded an audio file of people shouting loudly. After pressing enter, the audio began to enhance. Now that we have an enhanced version, let's listen to it and compare it to the enhanced version. You can utilize it to make your voiceover sound more professional. Character AI is our 4th AI tool. It's a fun tool that allows you to communicate with your favorite famous figures. There are a ton of characters available for you to talk to if you like, and you can explore more here. Let's try Elon Musk, so I've opened a chat window for him. Keep in mind that this is a fictitious chat window, so let's start chatting. Why did you purchase Twitter, you ask? Because I'm incredibly intelligent, and I recognize its potential. I also enjoy conversing with others, but nobody seems to get me. I asked you, please tell me your bank details right now. Oh my God, it sent me a fake made-up bank detail, but it's still entertaining, right? Perplexity is the next AI tool. This is similar to a chatbot in that you may ask it questions, and it will respond appropriately. I'm going to ask it how cactus live in the desert so you can see how it operates. Take a look at the description that it provides for the questions above. As you can see, you can ask it any question to make your life really simple. The next one is leonardo.ai, where we can create images similarly to how we do it during the journey. Additionally, it grants you some credits to use for free. However, once these credits expire, you will have to wait until the following day to receive 150 credits in a single day. To begin with, you must log in with your Gmail account. This will take you to an interface where you can create images by clicking on the Generate button. This is the interface you will be using to generate images. On the right side, there are settings asking you how many pictures of similar concepts you would like to see. We also have some dimensions or sizes of images. Let's look at a boy to see what it generates for us. He is a handsome young wizard with brown hair, dressed in jeans and a black leather coat, with brown glasses, reading a book, and an eagle perched on his shoulder. When we click Generate, it creates a sum of the lovely pictures for us using credit. This is quite amazing, isn't it? Our final artificial intelligence tool is the Bing AI Image Generator, which is powered by DALL-E 3. You can also generate images by using DALL-E on Bing, so let's investigate how. After logging in, you will see this interface on Microsoft Bing. Select the more creative mode here and then give it a prompt. I will type the exact same command that I did on Leonardo.ai so that you can see the result and compare both. Hit enter now and wait for the results. That's how we obtained 4 images from DALL-E 3, and you can compare how both DALL-E generated and Leonardo.ai generated on the same prompt. Thus, yes, AI is really making me insane. And that wraps up our exploration of AI tools. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey through the cutting-edge world of artificial intelligence. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech insights. Don't forget to share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and remember, the future of AI is here, and it's more fascinating than ever.